What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Michelle, and today I'm super excited. We're going to be unboxing the ice cream box. This is for the month of February 2022. If you're not familiar with ice cream, it's a monthly subscription beauty box. It's mostly makeup products. I've got it for December, January, and February, and I've only received like one skincare product, so it's very heavily on the makeup side. So if you're looking for a subscription box that's more geared towards makeup, this would be a great one to try out. So far I have loved just about everything I've gotten. I've had a couple things that I didn't care for, but overall the boxes have been absolutely great. It's $25 a month. This month's theme is Be My Valentine, and this is the card that you get with it. The first thing in here is Pure Cosmetics Fiber Lash Mascara. This is $30. So this is taking me back to Unique Cosmetics. Now Unique used to have a product that was just like this. It had the mascara, which you put the mascara on, then you take the dry fibers, put them on, and then you do more mascara on top. I have a few tips for this, so I will share my tips with you when we use that. Now in ice cream, you're guaranteed to get a palette in every box, and this month we got this one. It's Take Me to Paris. This is $23. Oh my god, these colors. I'm just gonna swatch a couple. Wow, these are so pretty. Here's just a few. They are gorgeous. Okay. So next up is going to be this lip duo. Now this is by Basic Beauty. You get a lip liner and a lipstick, and it's an vodka soda. So that's the lip liner. The lip liner is a dark brown. The lipstick is a pinky nude. Those are very pretty colors. Definitely my type of lip combo. What else? This is from Hikera. This is a Luxe Eye Crayon, and it's just like a skin toned color. So it says that it's great for cutting creases. So this is $17. The lip combo was $25, by the way. And last but not least, we have this highlighter. This is $47. Icy highlighter. So this box definitely says February to me. I love this box so far. I can't wait to use the stuff in here. So first I'm going to start out with the lips. Okay, so I just filled my lips in with this. It's very creamy. Really nice formula. I like that a lot. It has a good smell. So I'm just going to put this kind of in the center and blot it out. The lipstick, I would say, feels a little tacky. So we'll see how it's doing at the end of the video, see if it dries down or not. Now I'm going to go in and use the highlighter. Wow, that's very icy. I barely dip my brush in here. Oh, I love that. That's so pretty. It's very intense. I mean, that is such a pretty highlighter. I love that. I think I'm going to use that on the inner corners and brow bone today too. I like that a lot. Okay, and instead of priming my lids, I'm just going to use this Hikera to put on my lid and see how it does. It's just this would be good for a cut crease though. But I'm just going to do this and blend it out with a brush. And we'll just use this as a primer today. And it does seem to be blending out just fine with a brush. So first I'm going to start out with the shade here, Trench Coat. And I'm going to put that in my transition area. Just blend it out. just to kind of set down that eye crayon. I'm gonna have to clip my hair back, it keeps falling in my face. Then I'm gonna go into this shade here, which is called French Cafe. I'm gonna put it in my crease and blend it up. This is such a pretty pink. Then I'm gonna go into this one here, which is Bubbly Toast. And I'm just gonna take a flat brush and I'm gonna put that on the inner corner. Oh, so pretty. Very creamy shades. They are just gliding on. Next, I'm gonna go into this shade here, which is a Bon Appetit, and we're gonna put that in the center. Just to start bringing some pink into it. So pretty. I have not sprayed my brush or anything, and these are just gliding on so nicely. I love this formula and this palette so far. Then I'm going to take a one-way ticket here and put on the outer crease. I'm going to run it around into my crease here. I'm going to take this shade here, which is a one-way ticket, and put it underneath of my lash line. And very little fallout with this palette. I really love this palette. The quality of it is really nice. The shadows blend it so easily. I really do like that palette. Very nice. I'm also going to take some of that highlighter and put on this highlighter. I'm going to put in my inner corner and brow bone. I love this highlighter. This is beautiful. I'll definitely be using this a lot. I love this icy white highlighter. I'm going to go back and take that first brush and blend the highlight and the transition color together. Okay, so I went ahead and did my eyeliner, and now we're on to use the mascara. To be honest with you, I'm not the biggest fan of this type of mascara. I mean, I think it's good for occasions, like when you want a little extra length or flirtiness with your mascara, but it's not like an everyday one that I would personally reach for. So the first thing that you get is your mascara. So you're going to apply this before and after these fibers. Now these are loose fibers here. Now when I used to use this mascara, the problem I had was the fibers would fall all over your face and stuff as you was using it. So you have to make sure that you kind of like pack it on the brush before you put it on your lashes. If not, you're going to have a huge mess. Like it gets in your eyes and it's not very fun. So the first thing you want to do is coat your lashes with the mascara. Now, another problem that I had was my mascara was getting really clumpy and really not usable because the fibers were getting mixed in, I think, and it was causing the mascara to become very clumpy and dried out. Which I think this mascara on its own is pretty nice. Now it's still wet. We're going to take the fibers and I'm going to roll the fibers and kind of press them in so they don't fall out on my face everywhere. And I'm just going to hit the end of my lashes with the fibers. Just to try to add some length. Then you're going to take the mascara one more time and you're going to coat your lashes over top of the dry fibers. I mean, and this mascara really does a nice job. Now, here's what I'm going to say. Before you stick your wand back in here after you've coated your lashes, get you a wet cloth and wipe your wand off, because I had such a problem with the mascara getting clumpy and drying out. So I just wipe my brush off before I stick it back in here. But here is the difference. Like, it really does do really nice and make your lashes long. Like I said, I do like this mascara for occasions, but not for an everyday use. Okay, so same thing for the other side. I'm going to put mascara on. I like to go ahead and just do 2 coats of mascara at first. So that way my lashes are really well coated with mascara and the fibers want to stick to the mascara. I'm going to take the wand with the loose dry fibers and I'm going to roll it on the back of my hand just to get the fibers pressed into the brush. I'm going to brush it on the end of my lashes just to make them a little longer. I'm going to take more of the mascara and put directly over top to seal them into place. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed look. I went ahead and put some lip gloss on because the lipstick was still a little sticky, so I just put some lip gloss on it. I was going to do that anyway. This is the completed eye look. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I really like the eyeshadow palette. Like I said, I will use the, mascara for occasions, but it won't be my, everyday go-to mascara. Really love the lip combo. It did stay sticky, but I always put gloss on top of my lip, combos anyway, so it doesn't matter to me. The highlighter, I loved this. I'm going to get a lot of use out of that. But the eyeshadow palette was amazing. I loved this. I'll definitely be able to use that. This I probably won't use that much, to be honest with you. I mean, it did what it was supposed to. I mean, if you just wanted to use it as a primer, you could, but I probably won't use it too often. But I love this month's ice cream box. And I will have the website linked below for you guys in the description box, as well as the coupon code Michelle10. You get 10% off your first box if you wanted to give ice cream a try. So far, I've absolutely loved their boxes. I mean, like I said, a couple things here and there I don't really like, but overall, for $25 a month, I definitely think it's worth it. I like trying different brands that I've never even heard of. But yeah, let me know what you think down in the comments below about this month's ice cream box. And if you're not already subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!